Cleaning your furniture the wrong way can lead to permanent damage, but with the right guidance, your furniture can last for years. That's why at the Furniture Mall, we're here to help you care for your furniture so it stands the test of time. My name is Lindsay, a home solutions specialist, and today I'll guide you through the different cleaning codes for fabric furniture and show you how to clean them the right way. Let's get started. Before we dive into cleaning techniques, let's first talk about what cleaning codes are and where to find them on your furniture. Cleaning codes are the manufacturer's guidelines for maintaining your furniture safely. These are important because fabrics vary widely and require specific cleaning methods to avoid damage. To find the cleaning code, check the manufacturer's label. These labels are often found under cushions, on the frame, or hidden in inconspicuous areas. Look carefully as placement and size can vary. Now let's break down the four main cleaning codes: W, S, WS, and X. Each represents a specific method. W for water-based cleaning, S for solvent-based cleaning, WS for water or solvent-based cleaning, and X for vacuum-only cleaning. Let's start with the W code. The W code means water-based cleaning. For this, use distilled water and a small amount of clear dish soap or foam carpet cleaner as an alternative. Apply the solution with a microfiber cloth, working gently on the affected area. Then rinse with distilled water and let it air dry or pat dry with a clean cloth. Next is the S code, which means solvent-based cleaning. For this, you'll need rubbing alcohol, a stiff brush, and cotton balls. First, you would dry the area with cotton balls or a fan, then brush out the stain with a stiff brush or vacuum it. For tougher stains, apply rubbing alcohol using a cotton ball, then repeat the process. The WS code stands for water or solvent-based cleaning. This code is great for households with kids or pets because you can use either method. However, don't combine the two. Stick to one at a time. If one method doesn't work, try the other. Finally, the X code is the simplest but also the most restrictive. It means you can only vacuum or brush the fabric, no liquids allowed. Use a vacuum suction hose or a stiff brush to gently lift dirt or debris without damaging the material. We hope this video has made cleaning your furniture a little easier. For more tips, visit our website or call one of our locations. Additionally, we will have more videos on topics just like this through the website. If you're in the market for new furniture, visit us in-store and our specialists will help you find the perfect fit for your home. Thanks for watching. Oh yeah!